Hello everyone and welcome to Pushing Content with Canva class as organized by Master P Editorial. I am your tutor, Master P. I am a unisex fashion designer, an online tutor, and a fashion tutor. My aim is to help you become a better version of you in what you do. And in this tutorial that we are making, we are going to be learning introduction to Canva, knowing Canva, to how to design eye-catchy flyer or how to create an eye-catchy design on Canva, then how to import your photos and videos to Canva, and afterward we are going to be learning how to export our design. We are going to create designs on Canva. Okay, so by the end of this class, I believe that you should be able to start creating great content on Canva. And before I go further, all of this starting from here and every other flyer that we'll be looking at was created on Canva. Okay, I created it on Canva with my phone. As we go on, you will see how realistic it is. Okay, so are you ready to go? Now this is Canva. This is Canva app. This is Canva app, and this is how this is the logo. Okay, this is the logo of Canva. So if you want to download Canva, hurry up and download this particular one. I don't know if there are many Canva. Go to your app store or your Play Store, okay, and download Canva, and afterward we are ready to go. Now, what is Canva? Canva is a global designing platform that allow users to create unique graphic designs with their phone. Canva allow you to create unique graphic designs with your phone. You understand? Either your phone or laptop. You can log into your laptop to do it. But the good thing for me is the fact that I can create it with my phone anywhere, anytime. Laptop, you can't use it anywhere, anytime. Likewise a desktop computer. But with Canva, you can be traveling and even be creating designs. Okay, you can even lie down and be creating. Just at any time you can use it. That is how good Canva is. So guys, are you ready to go? Let's head into Canva. Remember, this is the logo of Canva. Okay, so let's head into Canva and then start creating those unique designs. This is Canva. Open it, and once you open Canva uses data. Okay, so enable your data to be on always when using Canva. You have to have data connection. Download it, and this is Canva. This is how it is. You see, it have all that templates here and a whole lot of stuff, beautiful stuffs here. Okay, so let me just give you an intro to how Canva work. Just as you see, this is the menu bar. I want you to be focused on the basic things that you need to create your design. Okay, so this is your home page. This is where you have your projects. This is where you have your project. Here is where you want to kind of create design. Here is templates, already design template that you can use. Then here is education. You see this education here because I am using the pro version of it. I'm using the pro version of this app. That is why you see the education here. Your own, you might not see education here. You might just see personal. Okay, so let's go to creating unique design. And if you want to create a design, all you need to do, just this is a search bar where you search for what you want to create. Okay, I'm going to be showing you the easiest way of creating designs. You get the easiest way of creating unique designs. And what we are going to be creating in this design, and as an assignment that I'll be giving to everyone, is a complimentary card. It's what we are going to be creating in this tutorial. We all run businesses online. We all brand our businesses online. Remember that the aim for this class is to help you push content, to create awareness about your business so that people will know you. Okay, so we are going to be creating an complimentary card that we post on our statuses, that we're posting on our social media handles, that we can even make them as our cover photo. Okay, so that when people just come to our social media handles, they should have much information about our businesses or about us. Okay, so before we go further, let's take projects to see designs that I've created. Some of the designs that I've created, I've been using this Canva to create designs for myself, for friends, for people. I even use it to create design and earn money. Okay, just I don't have the time to do that, so I'm only focused more on designing my own stuff. Okay, so now once you open this place, this is folder, this design. If you want to see designs of what you have done, it is here, so that you will be able to use it. And one good thing about Canva is that you cannot lose any created design. Any design that you start working on, you cannot lose them, because they automatically get backed up. So if you log into Canva with another device, you still get all your designs back. So guys, Canva is very good for you to embark on for your designing work, for your designing project, and for you to use as a tool to brand your business. So these are the unique designs I have created here. Look at them. You remember this flyer? This one I just used in the class there. Remember it? The one I used to do introduction about myself, you see that one? Okay, let's continue. You see other designs and other wonderful designs I've created. Some of you might know this. I designed this for Christmas. Merry Christmas. And I placed it in my working place. I designed this next one that I'm marking now. I designed it for a friend. And I designed a flyer and complimentary card. Okay, and then I say we are going to be designing a complimentary card. The method in which I want to show you is a method that you can easily become a professional graphics designer with your phone on Canva. Okay, you can create unique designs. The method is using already designed templates. Remember, we want to design business card. So let's search for business card and then search. So while you search for it and it loads, you have different options that will come out for you. So your own job now is to scroll through them and see the sample of what you want. And now before this open, the sample of what I want us to design is a business card with either our picture, like me, I'm going to put my picture, plain or blank space. I have to start from scratch. You understand? So if you want to create a business card and you start from scratch, you use this blank and start with it. Okay, but I don't want us to go through that method. So I say that we're going to be creating design that will use our picture and then the details of ourselves, our business. Okay, so now let's scroll through them and see. Let's just scroll through them. Okay, I think I like this. So let's scroll through. I've seen which I like, though I'm going to be changing the color. Okay, this is the front and back. Okay, so number one, I don't like the color of this. My brand logo is navy blue, gold and white. So these are the three colors I'll be using here. So number one, I'll be changing this color, which is black, the background. Okay, before we go further, this is the first page. You slide, you get the second page, or you just tap here and then tap like this. Now let me just explain this. The tools here, you go back to home. Here is to undo. Like for example, I deleted this and I want to undo it. You get? So redo, undo. Okay, that is it. Now we'll talk about these ones later. Let's talk about this one. You want to add text, add design, add emoji, add anything to it, add an icon or anything, picture. This is where you use. So when you tap on it, then you select what you want. This design, this element, this gallery. You want to bring up picture from your gallery. We're going to be doing all of this, and this is it. Okay, so let's go back. That is it for that one. And just as I earlier explained, this one is still the same thing. It allows you to use a full view of the whole pages. Okay, page 1 and 2. Okay, let's open page 1 and then start changing. Number one, I told you that my brand color is navy blue and white. So this navy blue, gold and white. Okay, so this background, which is black, look at it here. I'm going to tap on it and change it to navy blue. Now it's left for you to select the color of your choice. Here you mix it up. That is the color mixture. You just slide and then select the color. Let's make it a bit thicker. so it will reflect more of gold instead of yellow. Okay, you change this a bit, a lighter color, so it's just differentiate like that. And then but this one we are going to be using white. Okay, then this logo, I'm going to be deleting it. You tap on it, comes to go back here, and then you see this icon, this is delete. You delete it. I am going to import my logo, okay, and put it there. So from here I'll go to my gallery. Here, go to images, and then allow it to load. Once it load, I can select the exact point that I have that particular gallery image that I want to do this in. Okay, this is reset, so I'm selecting, let me select the file that I have it by tapping on this one here. So I go to where I have the file, that is a picture of my logo, which is under cut basically, not cut paste, cut. So you just keep scrolling until you see, and this is the cut, because I've already cut the logo. So this is the logo here, this is the logo. You import it, you mark it, and then upload. Wait for it to load for some time. Okay, then reduce the size by touching this side here, this size cycle here. When you touch it, drag it, and as you drag it, you reduce the size. Okay, so that is it. And hold this point here. I believe you can see that the point I'm touching, this one is to rotate, it. Okay, so let's go back, undo it, and then let's take it down to this point. Yeah, that is it. So tap the name here and change. Okay, so the word should be on one line, so we'll drag it and let it be there. Company position, let's take away that. Let's put in our details before we do other stuff. Okay. So guys, let's replace this with white color logo, this logo with white color. And to replace it, tap on it and you see replace it, and then white color logo. Okay, it's already white on white, so we're going to change this color to the golden yellow. Now I'm going to import my own picture. To import my picture, I'll just tap on it here. That is this plus icon. Tap on it. Let me use this one. All right, so you now resize it. You can zoom it with your two fingers like this, drag it and zoom it, then cut it up. Okay, because let's go back. If you carry this, drag it to this place, it will just enter. But you see, it have cut my whole body out. You can see that it have cut my body out. So what I'm just going to do here is I will have to undo, carry this picture away from that point, then resize it like this, drag it inside, and it enter. So you see the difference between now and then, right? So that is it. So look at what I'm doing here. I'm deleting this background, delete it, let it just be plain like this. So guys, here now I'm going to introduce about two elements that were not included here. So let's mark this, multiple mark. Let's mark one, you mark the outer one, you mark the inner one, the outer one. All these things were important. Email address, the location, and the address. Then slide it down. Okay, let's take it down like this. Now we're going to be introducing a column for name and position. Name, you duplicate that, tap on what you want to duplicate, take it up, that is for name. Duplicate again, that is duplicate. That sign that is there is actually for duplicating. Take it up a bit. On phone, duplicate and take it up, put it as name, edit it and put it as name. So tap on this, the phone number, copy it and take it up. Tap here, tap on it and edit it, then put your full name. and then come to position and put your position there. What is it about that? So now inside these places, we are going to be importing stuff that look like name. Okay, for name, let's position this, take it up a bit. I think that is okay. Our logo is going to be reduced. Okay, so what I'm going to be teaching you to do here now is how to add either an element, Now all of these things you see, like this call telephone icon there, you can delete it. It's an element. Okay, so what will fill into this space now, we're going to be doing that. Let's take it out. So now we're going to be taking okay, we'll go on plus. Remember where we are going now. Click on plus, go to elements, then you search for what you want. You don't need to go and start designing it like CorelDRAW, that you design every element that you need from scratch. Canva have made it so easy for you that you can design all these things without you necessarily going to start designing them from scratch. So just search for the first element we are looking for is a mail icon, so that we'll put on that name. Okay, a mail icon. So you see different icon right now. You see mail icon, you see this. So this, we need something like this. Okay, so you see different of them. So we're going to be using this. Now one interesting thing about all this icon here that I'm explaining to you now, we search for this, but look at something here. This one carry edu, 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 and this is the one I want us to use, as well as other elements that are here. If you see many of them carrying edu. That is to say, Canva have the premium version and the pro version of it. Okay, but I'm using the pro version of it. That is why I have it as edu. I'm using the educational package of it. Okay, so that's why I have the edu pack of it. Now I can use this. Let's tap on this and use. But you, as a regular beginner or someone that just signed up on Canva, let's slide it and put. You cannot use it. Why? Because you don't have a pro account with them. But I have a pro account with them. I've paid for the pro account which I'm using. Okay, at the end of the class, I'll be telling you details on how you can get the Canva Pro. So let's just drag this here and then position it very well. So you see that's for the name. So for the position, we are going to be searching. Go again to icon, to this plus sign, elements, search for rank icon, ranking, rank. Okay, now this is it here. Rank have opened. Now it's left for you to search for the type of rank icon that you want. Okay, if I don't see what I want here, I need something like this here. That is what I want. This military chevron is what I want. Okay, let's see the one that is facing down. Okay, so let's tap on it, and you see even this one is the premium package of it that has what I want. So guys, if you are using Canva, it's very important that you get Canva Pro so that you'll be able to design unique designs with it. Okay, look at almost every element used here was gotten from Canva Pro. That is, if you are not a Pro version user, you can't be able to use it. So let's use this position here, this one for the rank, this rank for the position. Good. So I will have my picture there. Now we are done with this. Let's just take the name up a bit. We are good to go. Good to go. Now we are through with this. Okay, we are done designing this. Now let's go to the second slide, which is this, the back part of the complimentary card. We're going to put the company name here, and this is the back part of it. Master P motto. So our motto is what? Looking good is good. All right, so here now we are going to be putting instead of websites here, you can either use your social media platform, either your social media link, you get. So let's use Facebook link here. Let's use Facebook link, www.facebook.com/Master P Fashion World. So this is it. Delete this logo. Okay, delete it. Then go to plus. Instead of going to your gallery now, you are going to go under upload because you've already imported that design, that logo. So just upload the logo here. Upload the logo here. Upload the logo here. This is the logo. Inside, let it be at the middle. So let's use nudge here. Yes, let's use nudge. Let's use nudge to make it be in the middle. All right, so it's now at the middle. Okay, so we are done with the front part of our complimentary card, business card, and then the back part of it. Okay, so you can now go ahead and print this or use it for your business. Now guys, look at this. You see how beautiful this is? This and this. I can export this. Okay, in subsequent tutorials I will be doing, and that tutorial will be for our inner cycle. When I say inner cycle, I mean those that will be part of our Canva team. Now I've been able, let's go back, we'll come back to this. Let me show you something. I've been able to get the Canva Pro version, which is educational package. Look at it here. Master P editorial. Master P editorial. Okay, this is it. Now you that you are watching, what you'll be seeing here, if you don't have the Pro version, what you'll be seeing here is personal, because you are just using your personal account. Now I've bought a Canva Pro team that is called Master P editorial, and with this team I can train people as an educational package. That's why you see education here. I can train people to become Canva users and then add them to my team as my class students to train them to become professional. So guys, what you have to do is, for you to learn further on how to design all these beautiful content or beautiful flyers that we've designed, or we have learned the process and everything, you have to gain access to the premium version of this app, which is the Canva Pro. Because even if you go to design, there are some design that, like this one now, it contains many, this one that we use, it contains many elements that are for premium users only, except if you're having the Pro version before you can use it. And imagine you wanting to design something and then you have an element that you would have imported, but it's actually for premium users. You know, that's bad. So that's why with Canva Pro, you can be able to design all this. Now let's go. We're still learning how to export this design. Now we're still learning how to export it. Well, I'm going to export it and I will send it to the class. I'm going to send it to the class. Okay, so just as you guys saw when I was searching for that icon, for this name icon, position icon, and then the whole thing I was seeing there was Pro element. Let's go to element. Now one good thing with Canva is that, guys, we are going to export this design very soon, but before I teach you guys how to do that, let's wrap up with everything about here, Canva here, then we'll export it. Okay, one good thing with Canva is that you can be able to use it and import any icon. I mean any icon. For example, if you want to design something and you need WhatsApp icon, no need to go to Google to start, or Pinterest to start looking for WhatsApp icon. Inside Canva you can get that. Look at the WhatsApp icon here. Now look at the original WhatsApp icon here. It has what? It has Edu. Anyone that you see Edu on it, anywhere you see Edu, you'll be seeing Pro. Or anyone you see Edu on it is a premium version, which you cannot use it apart from being a Pro user. So you see this. So that is to say that you cannot really design much with Canva if you are not using the Pro version. So getting the Pro version will help you get more advantage to design more beautiful and attractive content to no limit. And the good thing is that this Pro version is unlimited. The Pro version is unlimited. That is, it's lifetime. Once you buy it, you'll be able to use it for a lifetime as long as you are alive. You continue using that. Now, these are the advantages. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to export the design. But let's finish with this. These are the advantages of joining our Canva Pro team. Number one is you have lifetime access to Canva Pro. That is, once you are being added to Canva Pro, you have lifetime access to it. You won't need to purchase it every year. I've done the purchasing of it, of the lifetime package, and I'll add you to my team. You just have a lifetime access to it. Number two, you get free tutorials on amazing hacks on Canva. See, guys, you can use Canva to a large extent depending on how you know how to use it. I know how I used to be I do struggle with design, how to create designs on Canva. But when I took Canva classes, I was able to do well. And the thing here is, you get these tutorials. I'll make them personally. It's not that I'm sending you people's tutorial. I'll make the tutorials and send them to you free. From time to time, I keep updating the group with tutorials on how to use hacks for Canva, okay, and create the beautiful designs on Canva. And all you need to get to that group, which is Master P editorial team, is to get the Canva Pro, and you get added to that group for free. You receive tutorials for free, and then you also get added to our team private group for guidance, which is the Master P editorial team. It's registered on Canva, and you can get added to the team for free. And the thing is that we have only limited numbers of people that we can add to that team. Okay, so it's not that we have unlimited number of people to add. No, just for few number of people, and it's based on first come first serve. Okay. And in case you are a total beginner in the design world, there are some ebooks that are put in place that will help guide you learn color combination and the concept of designing. Okay, so lastly but not the least, you can become a pro in short time, as we keep on sending you tutorials on hacks you can do on Canva, on things you can learn on Canva, on things to do on Canva. As you design your work and keep on sending for review, and other students keep designing and sending for review, you get corrected, and in no distant time you will become a pro graphic designer. And what is the team that I'm talking about? I'm talking about Master P editorial team. That is this team on Canva. Now, I've been talking of Canva Pro. How much is this Canva Pro? Canva Pro is 10,000 naira that I'm selling it, but because I'm introducing this as a new course, I am giving a 48 hours of 2,000 naira only to those that can get it within this period of time. But the Canva Pro, if you want to get it outside this 48 hours, is 10,000 naira. Okay, so this is the account details to pay into, and then after payment you send your payment proof here. Hurry now while this lasts. Remember, the access is lifetime, and once gotten with 2,000 naira, you get added to our Canva team, which is Master P editorial. You get free tutorials, you become a pro, and then you are good to go. Back to Canva rather. Let's export our design. Back to Canva, let's export our design. Okay, it's done loading, and then I can now export it. And if you want to export it, just tap on this icon here, this icon, that share icon. Okay, just share it, tap on it, and then another menu will pop out for you. Okay, select download. You want to download them into your phone, and it's already on PNG. It's the highest quality. It's okay. You can see SVG. You can only use this if you are on Pro for best. That is for web design and animation. See guys, Canva Pro can be used to a large extent depending on how you know how to use it, and two, the version you are using. If you are using free version, you can't use it to do much. So we are downloading the two pages, and Let's download. So while we are downloading, we are waiting for it to load. Okay, so let it keep loading, and then after we'll go to our gallery and see it. Okay, share it. Let's just share it to my second MTN. So let's send it here. And then let's send it. Good. So let's go back here and then view the work. Let's go back here and view the work. But before we view the work, remember that this 2,000 naira offer is running down for only 48 hours. That is just 2 days. And why should you choose Canva for design? One, Canva is beginners friendly. Okay, it's beginner friendly. Number two, you can design anything anywhere. Anything that you want to design, you can design it, and you can design it anywhere. Just as I earlier explained, it has millions of templates that you can use. It has millions of templates. Those templates that we search for and we selected one, it has millions of templates that you can select and use. And the thing is, if you have the pro version of it, you are not being restricted to any template. But if you have the personal version, which is the free version of it, it's not every template that you will be allowed to use by Canva. Okay, Canva is reliable. There is no work loss. Once you log in with your account, with your Gmail account, you get all work back. Okay, so Canva work on all smartphone. It work on all smartphone and even computer, that is desktop computer or laptop. Okay, Canva is fast to design with its already built element. Just like we're searching for a mail icon and then we search for it, you can search for phone icon and use it, search for phone frame and use it, and search for a lot of things, and then you will get it without necessarily going out of that class. Out of that out of the platform, which is Canva. So this is what we've downloaded. It has already been sent here. So you can now upload this on your own status, on your own wallpaper, or you even go ahead and print it as your complimentary card. You get, this is the front part and this is the back part. So guys, it's nice having you here. Thank you for being part of this class, and I hope that you've learned a lot. Remember to drop your question in the comment box in the group chat and I will answer it. The assignment here is you should create your own complimentary card using any font of your choice. Okay, just create a beautiful complimentary card, something like this, and then send. I'll be correcting it and I'll be correcting it, telling you errors where you should correct and amend and all that. And then don't forget that Canva Pro offer is going down in the next 48 hours. The time begins now. You have the opportunity to get a lifetime access to Canva Pro with just 2,000 naira.